In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data labels to a chart on Google Sheets. Data labels are the numbers that appear directly on your bars, lines, or slices, making your chart easier to read at a glance. Instead of hovering over a data point or reading a separate legend, viewers can see the exact values immediately. Let's walk through how to turn them on quickly and cleanly. Start by heading to a Google page in your browser. In the top right corner, click the grid icon for Google Apps. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets. If you aren't already signed in, sign in with your Google account, then open the spreadsheet that contains the chart you want to adjust. This process works best on desktop, where the full chart editor is available. Once your spreadsheet is open, click on your chart to select it. You'll see a subtle border and some options appear. Look for the 3 vertical dots in the chart's top right corner and click them to open the chart menu. From there, choose Edit Chart. This opens the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen. In the Chart Editor, switch from the Setup tab to the Customize tab. This is where all the styling options live. Find and click on Series. The Series section controls how your data is drawn on the chart, including colors, line thickness, and the labels we're after. Within Series, look for the Data Labels option and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, values should appear on your chart's data points. For column or bar charts, they'll typically show just above or inside each bar. For line charts, they'll appear near each point. For pie charts, they'll sit on or near each slice. If your chart has multiple series, you may see a drop-down at the top of the Series section. You can choose a specific series to label or apply changes to all series, depending on your chart type. If you don't see the labels immediately, double-check that you selected the correct chart and that you toggled data labels inside the Customize Series section. Also ensure your chart is based on numeric values. Some chart types or configurations may limit label placement options, but most standard charts support them. Once labels are visible, review the chart for readability. If the numbers overlap or feel cramped, try resizing the chart area or reducing the zoom level to confirm they're placed correctly. High contrast colors between labels and the chart background can also improve legibility. And that's it. You've added data labels to your chart in Google Sheets, making your data clearer and more impactful at a glance.